Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to add or remove magnification on iOS. First, we need to get to the settings. They should be on your home screen, but if you can't find them here, all you need to do is go all the way to the right, then click on App Library, right Settings, open them up, then just scroll a little bit to Accessibility, then click on Zoom and turn it on. Now it's on. You can zoom wherever you would like. If you want to turn it on, off, just click it again, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. It would be really nice if you could subscribe to our channel. And bye.